Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Snow, and today I want to share with you about our amazing Superhuman Protocol. The Superhuman Protocol takes three of Earth's most important elements, magnetism, oxygen, and light, in that order to restore balance to our bodies. Without these essential elements, we cannot survive. Earth's magnetic field has declined 80% in the past 4,000 years, and we have further disconnected from it by wearing shoes and not walking barefoot on the ground. Earth's oxygen levels are dropping and the atmosphere is filling with hydrocarbons from industries. We block critical sunlight by wearing clothing and living in buildings. We are fish out of water. So how does the Superhuman Protocol work? We use three different state-of-the-art technologies that were developed to simulate these three Earth elements. Step one is using a pulsed electromagnetic field body mat that bathes you in supportive frequencies that get your body's cellular communication back on track. This 8-minute charging of your body cells gives them more electrons, so the red blood cells actually repel each other, improving blood flow and making your body more alkaline. Now, after this first step, we have a window of opportunity to receive more oxygen. So step two is exercise with oxygen therapy. Exercising with oxygen therapy, also known as EWOT, consists of being on a piece of exercise equipment, such as a recumbent bike, and doing 3 intervals of exercise to get your pulse up to 160 beats per minute as you wear an oxygen mask being served 93% oxygen. During this 15 minutes, your cells, tissues, and microvessels come alive by forcing this oxygen into remote oxygen-deprived tissues furthest away from the heart. Now that we have oxygenated the body, we are now ready for step 3, photobiomodulation, or red light therapy. Red light therapy exposes your body to certain wavelengths of red light. Red light gives off photons which are absorbed by the cell, which help removing damaging free radicals to restore energy production at the cellular level. When this is achieved, inflammation is reduced and the healing process is optimized. Lessen pain, increase energy, and improve sleep are among the many things that red light therapy can benefit. We look forward to helping you transform your health naturally.